Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Super Easy Math. Today's math problem of the day says solve 5/6 minus parentheses 1/4 plus 1/3. Well, we want to remember order of operations, and it always tells us to solve things inside of parentheses first, as long as it's an actual problem and those parentheses aren't just being used to represent multiplication. And in that case, I have the problem 1/4 plus 1/3. Well, I need to get a common denominator, and in this case, 12 is going to be my least common denominator. And I have to ask myself to go from 4 to 12. What did I multiply the 4 by? And the answer is 3. So I need to put a 3 up top because 1 times 3 is 3. Same thing happens over here, and it's 4. And so 1 times 4 is 4. So now when I add these together, I get 7 over 12. Now I'm going to rewrite my problem, but instead of writing the parentheses and everything inside them, I'm going to write the 7 over 12 because I just calculated that that's what all that equals. So now my problem is 5/6 minus 7/12. Well, now I need to change the denominator of the first fraction, and I know it's going to be 12 because 6 can go into 12 evenly. And 6 times what's going to give me 12? The answer would be times 2. So I have 10 here. And the 7 over here just gets brought down. And so now my problem is 10 minus 7, which is 3 over 12. Now I have to ask myself what can go into 3 and into 12. And the answer would be 3. And that would end up being 1/4. Here's tomorrow's math problem of the day. See if you can solve it before I do, but don't forget to head over to Super Easy Math where you can get access to all of my videos where I teach everything in order with notes the way you need it.